Today we will learn how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Amit and Nisha were playing a game to find the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Amit asked, how many whole numbers are there between 2 and 6? To find the answer, Nisha wrote whole numbers from 2 to 6 and counted the remaining numbers except 2 and 6 and replied that there are 3 whole numbers between 2 and 6. Now it was Nisha's turn. She asked, how many integers are there between -5 and 0? To get the answer, Amit counted the numbers -4, -3, -2 and -1 except -5 and 0 and gave the answer 4. Meanwhile, his elder sister Sarita came there. To make the game more interesting, she asked a question. How many integers are there between 1 and 2? Amit and Nisha knew that 1 and 2 are consecutive integers, so no integer can come between them. Therefore, they replied, nothing. To this, Sarita said, absolutely right. Then Sarita asked, now tell me, how many rational numbers are there between 1/7 and 2/7? Amit and Nisha saw that the denominators of the two rational numbers are equal and the numerators are consecutive integers, so they thought that no rational number would come in between them. As a result, they answered none. Sarita said smilingly, both of you are wrong. There are infinite rational numbers between them. For example, if we multiply both the numerator and denominator of 1/7 and 2/7 by 2, then we get equivalent rational numbers 2/14 and 4/14. Now here, 3/14 is the rational number between these two. That is, 2/14 is smaller than 3/14 and 3/14 is smaller than 4/14. Similarly, if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator of both the rational numbers by 3, then we get their equivalent rational numbers 3/21 and 6/21. Now the rational numbers between these two rational numbers are 4/21 and 5/21, where 3/21 is smaller than 4/21 and 4/21 is smaller than 5/21 and 5/21 is smaller than 6/21. Similarly, if we multiply the numerator and denominator of both the numbers by 10, we get their equivalent rational numbers 10/70 and 20/70. Now we will get the rational numbers between them as follows. Similarly, many numbers between the rational number 1/7 and 2/7 can be found. From this example, we get to know that even if the number of integers is finite between two integers, many rational numbers between two rational numbers can be found. That is, between any two rational numbers, infinite number of rational numbers can be found. Now suppose we have to find 5 rational numbers between -6/9 and -4/7. Can you tell me how will you find out the rational numbers between them? Think for a while. You got it right. First, we have to equalize their denominator. Since the LCM of 9 and 7 is 63, so we will make both their denominators 63. For this, we will multiply the numerator and denominator of -6/9 by 7 and multiply the numerator and denominator of -4/7 by 9. From this, we will get an equivalent rational numbers of -6/9 as -42/63 and the equivalent rational number of -4/7 as -36/63. Here -36/63 is greater than -42/63 because on the number line, -36/63 is to the right of -42/63. We can also say that -36/63 is closer to 0 than -42/63. In this way, we can now write rational numbers between these two rational numbers in this way. Just think, can we use the number line to find rational numbers between two numbers? Think for a while. You got it right. We can also use the number line. For example, if we have to find the rational numbers between -3/2 and -6/5, then we have to find the position of these two numbers on the number line. And then we will see which rational numbers comes between them. We will explore this topic in more detail in the next video. Today we learned how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. In the next video, we will solve some examples related to this. Today we will see some examples of finding rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between 0 and 1. This is very easy. Both 0 and 1 are rational numbers because we can express them as 0 by 1 and 1 by 1 respectively. There are an infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Let's find 10 rational numbers between 0 by 1 and 1 by 1. For this, we can write equivalent rational numbers of 0 by 1 and 1 by 1 as 0 by 11 and 11 by 11 respectively. With this, we can say that in between these rational numbers, there are many rational numbers such as 1 by 11 to 10 by 11, etc. Next example, find out which of the following numbers is not between minus 4 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. Here, minus 2 by 3 is larger than minus 4 by 3. Hence, the number which comes between these two numbers will be larger than minus 4 by 3 but smaller than minus 2 by 3. Let's talk about minus 5 by 6. To find out whether this number is between minus 4 by 3 and minus 2 by 3, we need to compare these three rational numbers for which we must make their denominator equal. To make the denominator equal, we use LCM. Here the LCM of denominator 6, 3 and 3 is 6, so we will make the denominator of all three rational numbers 6. For this, we multiply both the numerator and denominator of minus 2 by 3 by 2. Similarly, multiply the numerator and denominator by minus 4 by 3 by 2. From this, we will find the equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 3 is minus 4 by 6 and the equivalent rational number of minus 4 by 3 is minus 8 by 6. The denominator of minus 5 by 6 is already 6, so we will keep it that way. Now, we can say that the denominators of the rational numbers are equal, so we will compare their numerators. Here, minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. Minus 5 is smaller than minus 4, hence, minus 8 by 6 is smaller than minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 is smaller than minus 4 by 6, that is, minus 4 by 3 is smaller than minus 5 by 6 and minus 5 by 6 is smaller than minus 2 by 3. Hence, minus 5 by 6 is the rational number between two rational numbers. Now let's talk about minus 12 by 5. In order to compare these three rational numbers, we have to make their denominators equal. Here we have LCM of 3 and 5 as 15, with which we will make the denominators equal. Here a rational number equal to minus 2 by 3 will be minus 10 by 15. An equivalent rational number of minus 4 by 3 will be minus 20 by 15 and an equivalent number of minus 12 by 5 is minus 36 by 15. Since minus 36 by 15 is smaller than minus 20 by 15, minus 20 by 15 is smaller than minus 10 by 15. Hence, minus 36 by 15 won't come between minus 20 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. That is, minus 12 by 5 is not a rational number between minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. In the same way, can you find out whether minus 14 by 9 falls between these two rational numbers or not? Give it a try. Next example. Using the number line, find 10 rational numbers between minus 0.3 and 1.4. We can express minus 0.3 and 1.4 as minus 3 by 10 and 14 by 10 respectively. In this way, we can express these numbers in the form of p by q, where both the numerator and denominator are integers and the denominator of any number is not 0. Therefore, these are both rational numbers. Let's denote them on the number line. Minus 3 by 10 is a negative rational number, so its position is to the left of 0, but 14 by 10 is a positive rational number, so its position is to the right of 0. Ignoring the minus sign of minus 3 by 10, we see that the numerator 3 is a number smaller than its denominator 10. So the position of minus 3 by 10 is between 0 and minus 1. To find the exact position, we divide the distance from 0 to minus 1 into 10 equal parts and to the left of 0. Take the first 3 parts and mark it minus 3 by 10. In 14 by 10, the numerator 14 is a number greater than the denominator 10, so this number is greater than 1. To find its position on the number line, we make 10 equal parts of each unit, distance, and represent 14 by 10 by taking 14 of these parts. So can you now tell what are the rational numbers between these two numbers? Think for a while. Let me tell you. Now, as you can see, the rational numbers between them are minus 2 by 10 2, 10 by 10 or 1, 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10. Keep in mind that 0 and 1 are also rational numbers. Today we saw some examples of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. In the next video, we will see some misconceptions related to them. Today we will see some misconceptions and an interesting method of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. Misconception 1. One day the teacher asked the children a question, how many rational numbers are there between minus 5 and 7? Meera answered 11. Rahul answered 13. And Sameer replied, there are infinite numbers of rational numbers between them. Can you tell me who amongst them gave the correct answer? Meera did not understand the question properly. Instead of finding rational numbers, she found out how many integers are there between minus 5 and 7. Since there are 11 integers between minus 5 and 7, she gave the answer as 11, hence option 1 is the wrong answer. Rahul counted the integers from minus 5 to 7 and he replied 13. Here, integers were counted when the question was asked to count the rational numbers. So this is again a wrong answer. That is, option 2 is also the wrong answer. Rahul made another mistake here. Can you tell me what it is? Think for a while. Exactly. When we find the numbers between any two numbers, we remove those two numbers from the count. Here Rahul has counted numbers between minus 5 and 7, including the numbers minus 5 and 7. Hence Rahul's answer is also wrong. Keep in mind that to find out how many numbers are there between any two numbers, we count all the numbers between them except those numbers. The correct understanding is that both minus 5 and 7 are integers as well as rational numbers. Between these two numbers, there are several rational numbers. Hence, between these two numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. That is, Sameer's answer is correct. The correct answer to the question is option 3. Now let's look at another method of finding rational numbers between rational numbers. Suppose we have to find some rational numbers between 4 and 6. For this, we will add both rational numbers and divide the result by 2. From this, we get to know that the rational number in their middle is 5. Then we add 4 and 5 and divide the result by 2. Doing so, we will get the rational number 9 by 2, whose position is in the middle of 4 and 5. Similarly, we will add 5 and 6 and divide the result by 2. From this, we get to know that the rational number in the middle of 5 and 6 is 11 by 2. To find more numbers, we will again add 11 by 2 and 6, which will result in 23 by 12, which is a rational number in the middle of 11 by 2 and 6. Using the same method, we can find infinite numbers between any two rational numbers. Isn't this an interesting method? This method also proves useful to us when we are given two rational numbers and are asked to find the rational number exactly in the middle. So today we saw a misconception and an interesting method of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers.